Hello everyone, how are you? Hope all is well. Today's video, I will share how to product move for Google Merchant Center for WooCommerce store. Like my product, my website is product this one. Okay, so this product, my data source, this going to this Google Merchant Center at product section. So I hope maximum problem for the city export and others plugin is a problem. So today's video, I will share how to going this adding product for your Google Merchant Center for product feed. Okay, so first of all, going to this go to product feed. Then I see this no product for added yet on add product. Okay, no problem. So I will create the bulk system product upload because my website is a more product like 7 product. Then one by one is a very late and very useful work. It is also it's a automatic work. Okay, so first of all I am going to this option at the plugin. So going to the ctx feed, you can checking this option ctx feed. ctx feed WooCommerce product feed manager plugin I can use always time. You can see this 1 lakh plus active installation and 660 and positive review and very good of all everything. So many times is only main term others plugin slow 80 plus 400 4,000 5,000 4,000 1,000 20,000 is a big 1 lakh is a big option, no problem. So first of all, you can this install now. Okay, so I'm going to the CTXP WooCommerce plugin okay, product fit manager plugin is install it. Okay, first of all, then they activate. There is activate going to the CTXP. It's just a refresh. Just a refresh your website plugin. Then you can checking this option. Okay, so you can checking the CTX feed. So I am going to the CTX feed option, this premium, no problem, no need premium, it is free, no problem. So going to this manage feed, make feed. First of all, you can clicking the make feed. So is allow, dismiss. Okay, this one CTX feed. Okay, make feed, and I need make feed. Okay, so CTX means the pro version, no problem, no need pro version. You can use this supported file type XML, CSV, TV, TSV, XLS, TXT. So more type. So first of all, you can make feed. Your county location, what is your county? So my county US, my targeted country. My country is Bangladesh, but my targeted market country US. Okay, so United States, then template. What is the template? You can checking this custom, then Google Shopping, Google local inventory, local product inventory, product review, product shopping action. The more bring shopping, bring all everything. Facebook catalog, Facebook, Google Ads, local product, Google Ads, dynamic ads. Oh, all are everything popular. So I can need this Google Shopping. I am select the Google Shopping, this file name. I can choose the file name, any other file name. I choose this content API. Okay, no problem. My file type is the most important. You can this JSON file, TXT file, XLS, TSL, CSV. So you can just the XML file. Okay, then include variants, all variants. Yes, I need this all variants, first variants, last variants on only main product default violation. So I need this all variants product. Okay, no, okay, just clicking the all variant. That's by default, no problem. So you can again checking, no problem. Then feed configuration, filter, advanced filter. You can just feed configuration, just checking all or everything okay, or by default, just checking the USD price. Okay, because your website product is USD price, I can checking this USD price. So just checking this ensure this USD. Two option just checking USD, then all are everything okay. Regular price and okay. So you can checking all or everything. Okay, okay. Just update and generate feed. Click. So feed configuration already saved. All batch, all or everything. You can checking feed successfully generated. Feed URL. This one. I am just copy this link. I need this link just on. Or you can checking this manage feed. Oh, great. My feed already okay. Just on, off. Just click or copy it. Okay, you can checking this copy it. This link your content API feed name. Okay, feed name, channel, XML, all are everything. Okay, this link you can checking any regenerate, edit, download, export, all everything. Okay, this settings option. So it is no need. This is well. Okay, so I am going to this my option. First of all, Google Merchant Center. All are everything is okay. Everything is okay. Yes, this is my business address added, my number verified, online store confirmed, shopping address, text setup completed, all or everything okay. I'm going to the setting option, then data source. Is a Google Merchant Center next. Okay, KL, any option, Google Merchant Center next. Then for me, provided already promotion source I need product sources. So first of all, product sources, add product sources. Add product source is connect WooCommerce, then add product file option. You can choose this option middle. Okay, you can choose this add product from file. Then option just down this enter your link, because previous link is copied. You can checking again this link copy and paste. Okay, so I'm going to again paste. Okay, so automatically every 24-hour 11 12 p.m. is automatic reschedule. No problem, your product crawling and update. No username password, no need username password, no need, no problem. Then add a file for SFTP. No. Upload file from your computer. No. Okay, just click enter your link, then put link, then continue. So my feed already updated. I hope as soon as possible my product show. Okay, so product already synchronizing. I hope as soon as possible my product is show. You can checking type, file type, URL, content, product is just waiting, last updated time. Okay, so I hope as soon as possible my product cannot load the synchronize summary option. Okay, so I am just one. Refresh. It's working. So you can checking already green signal. Okay, your product was updated, no problem. Updated product 00. As soon as possible, show this option. Okay, just waiting, synchronizing, no problem. Just wait. Oh, yes, my product already updated. You can checking this option already. 3 product gone. So got it. 7 product. Okay, so I see checking this my website and okay, shop 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 product. Okay, so I can checking the 7 product. Okay, so you can check. Okay, so just now time is not approved. No problem. As soon as possible, product is approved. I can again I can check again refresh. Then see eight product is variant product. Okay, some variant and all are everything variant product I did. So notifications, product issue. Okay, no problem. Missing customer find product, no problem. Fix issue. Uh, There is this video only for suspended with this account was already suspended policy violation for suspended product violation. Remove product for violate our policies, request a review, no problem. So product policy violation is a more other problem. So first of all, you can change Google ads link it, then product automatic activate. Okay. So I hope you clear this video how to add that Google Merchant Center next product added for WooCommerce. So I hope to help you. So you can face any problem, Google Merchant Center problem like suspended issue, any other issue, product issue. I can fill up everything. I can solve everything. Thank you everyone. Show this video.